Vertigo Blue Chic. From the outside, Sharp Cookie. Superstitious down on the inside, rushing up is Apple Magic. Friendly Fire, Tempest, Super Elegant, and Right Choices is the early trailer, Superstitious, followed by the outstanding favorite, Sharp Cookie in second. Moving up by the rallies, Apple Magic. Passing the half-mile pole, Superstitious, Sharp Cookie. Apple Magic is racing in third. And hitting the far turn, Sharp Cookie is now the leader, followed by Superstitious in second. Apple Magic is racing in third by about 2 lengths. Tempest, Right Choices, Friendly Fire, Blue Chic, Super Elegant. As they race the final corner, Sharp Cookie by about 2 lengths, followed now by Apple Magic by the rail, and on the outside, Superstitious, Tempest, Friendly Fire, and nearing the finish line, Sharp Cookie by about 2 lengths. Apple Magic is running by the rail, and nearing the finish line, number 4, Sharp Cookie. Apple Magic, Superstitious, Friendly Fire, and Blue Chic for your Fentafecta.
Okay.